Let's start with the keyword research. SEMrush offers you various options for obtaining the most comprehensive list of keywords. The first of which is to take a look at your competitor's strategy. The Domain Analytics section assists you in performing competitive research and finding gaps in your competitors' strategies. You can then use these to develop a better campaign and outperform the competition. Let's see exactly what you can do using Domain Analytics. First, you can obtain a list of other websites that compete for the same keywords you do. Second, SEMrush allows you to explore a competitor's ads and see the content of those ads over the past year. Finally, find your competitors' new, lost, improved, and declined positions for the keywords they were bidding. Of course, there are many other functions that you'll want to explore on your own. Now let's take a look at how this tool works. If you like, feel free to follow in your own SEMrush account. The practice will enable you to demonstrate your mastery later when taking the exam.
Let's open Domain Analytics in SEMrush and start by typing in our domain name in the search box. Now, jump to the Advertising Research Report. Then click Competitors on the left navigation menu. Our goal here is to better understand who ranks as our main competitors in paid search. You might consider some companies your competitors, but it does not necessarily mean that they are your rivals in the paid block of the search engine results page. Paradoxically, some companies that are not your direct rivals might compete with you in the ad block. SEMrush will show you the list of companies who are competing with you for the same keywords in the ads block on the search engine results page. Here you can see the level of competition, a metric based on the analysis of the number of keywords of each domain and the number of the domain's common keywords. We can also see how many keywords the competitor shares with us and the number of keywords within the top 100 search results per domain. Clicking on Common Keywords will bring us to the Domain versus Domain tool, where you can compare up to 5 different domains, see which keywords they share with us, and the position of every common keyword in the paid search results of the first 10 pages of Google. Remember to select the proper type of keywords below each domain. This tool helps you analyze whether you should increase the bids on some keywords in Google AdWords, or even remove some from your campaign if the cost exceeds your limits. After that, you can type in your competitor's domain in the first box and yours in the second one. Choose Unique to the First Domain's Keywords filter, and the results will allow you to easily identify all the missed opportunities. Now there's one last technique I want to show you here. Insert your domain in both boxes, but in the first column choose Organic Keywords, and in the second choose Paid Keywords. Select the Common Keywords filter and sort your organic positions in the table, starting with the best ones. Doing so will enable you to see where your ads compete with your search engine optimization results. But wait, there's more. If you choose again the Unique to the First Domain's Keywords filter, and then sort the organic positions from the worst position to the best one, you'll be able to see where you can possibly compensate your failed search engine optimization results with paid ads. If you want to dive a bit deeper into your competitor's strategy at this step, you should go and take a look at the Ad Copies report. You'll find it under Domain Analytics, where you'll be able to see all of the competition's ads sorted by the number of keywords seen on Google. Click on the keywords to see the full list and the position in the ad block where this copy appeared. If you're searching for ideas on a particular topic, go ahead and use the advanced filters for the title, text, or URL of the ads. Continuing to the Ads History report, you'll be able to see your competitor's strategy for the last year, filter some seasonal trends, and estimate how intensively your competitor invests in promoting different types of products.
Let me close this video with a couple of additional tips and recommendations. First, as you may be aware, Google allows you to buy two main categories of ads, search and display. We've covered the Google search ad PPC here, but you can get some additional insights from the display side of the marketplace. It's a great tool for discovering the style of ads that your competition is using, as well as the landing pages. You can even see the advertising sorted by the device type, which is an incredibly useful tool if you're targeting a particular platform, for example, Apple iPhone users. My second tip is to use the URL tool to find out how much your competition is budgeting for AdWords. The tool can give you a quick snapshot that includes keyword count, anticipated traffic, and estimated traffic cost that the given URL is spending. And finally, if you're new to the platform, or even if you just need a little refresher course, do not forget to click the tutorial buttons shown within the various tool pages. They display the latest changes and tips from SEMrush experts. To grasp the material, try practicing with your SEMrush account and study up using the additional materials we provide you. See you in the next video.